So see, I made this robot with my dad, and this light bulb over here lights up by the two battery experiment back here, and his whole body can move like this. And he has these ears that can move, and his arms can move, and his head can move. And there's a light in the front, and these move. And the batteries in the back are like, you just push this, and it turns on. There. Then
Do it
that's the
again.
whole robot.
Turn it on again.
How did you do the back on the batteries?
Cool. What's his name?
His name is Robot. Wait, Robud?
Robot.
Robud. So this whole time.